Magandang umaga, ako po si Ronald Lamadit, kasama ko po ngayon si
Angel Basso.
at ngayon po ay tatanong ko po sa kanya about sa pollution. Question number 1. What are the basic causes of environmental problems?
Lot of pollution of air.
Question number 2. What household items should be recycled?
Glass bottles, plastic bottles, and paper.
What can you do to help prevent pollution?
Reduce the number of drives you take in your car.
Why should we recycle?
Recycle helps protect the environment.
What can we do to protect forests?
Plant the new trees by rainforest alert.
Thank you, Mr. Balse. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.